Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to convert MOV to MP4, step by step. Open a web browser on your computer. Search for Handbrake and download the application. Install Handbrake on your computer. Launch the Handbrake application. Click File and select the MOV file you want to convert. Wait for the file to import into Handbrake. In the Summary tab, set the format to MP4, optional. Go to the Video tab and adjust the frame rate and quality settings. Click Browse next to Save As. Choose the destination folder and enter a name for the converted file. Click Save. Click Start. Encode at the top of the window. Wait for the conversion process to complete. Open the destination folder to find your new MP4 file. Your MOV file will be successfully converted to MP4 format. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.